Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pankhudi Mittal, Assistant Professor of ENT at AIIMS Gorakhpur. And today, on 3rd March, which is celebrated as World Hearing Day, we come together to reflect on something we often overlook, which is our ability to hear. Hearing is not just about perceiving of sound. It is about communication, about language, and it is about emotional bonding. It is about a child saying their first words of life, participating confidently in class, and growing into their full potential. This year's theme is From Community to Classrooms, Hearing Care for All. It carries a powerful message that hearing care is not confined to just hospitals. It must begin at home, continue at the community level, and be actively supported within the schools. The childhood hearing loss is more common than we assume. Some children are born with it, the others develop due to infections, untreated ear discharge, excessive noise exposure, or lack of timely screening. The encouraging truth is that most childhood hearing loss is either preventable or manageable if detected early. When hearing loss is identified in the first few months of life and intervention begins before 1 year of age, the children can develop speech and language skills which is comparable to their peers. Early action changes the trajectory of a child's life. But when diagnosis is delayed, the children may appear inattentive, slow to learn, or withdrawn. And often the issue is not of intelligence, it is of unrecognized hearing difficulty. So the parents and caregivers should watch for simple signs like, does the baby startle to loud sounds? Does the child turn when they're called by name? Is speech developing appropriately for age? Is there any repeated ear discharge or frequent ear infections? Does the child have any learning difficulties at school? If there is any doubt, we should not wait and get the child screened. Hearing screening is a simple, painless, and life-changing procedure. Schools and teachers are equally important stakeholders. A child who consistently does not respond and asks for repetition or struggles academically may simply need a hearing evaluation. Regular school screening programs can prevent years of academic and social challenges. At the community level also, we must also address the stigma of hearing aids, of cochlear implants, that these are not symbols of disability. These are actually tools of empowerment. Inclusive classrooms and supportive environments, they should allow every child to participate with dignity. Also, as healthcare providers and policymakers, we must also strengthen the newborn hearing screening programs, school screening initiatives, teacher training, and affordable access to hearing devices. Let us all remember, a child who cannot hear well cannot learn fully. A child who is identified early can thrive fully. On this World Hearing Day, let us pledge as parents, educators, doctors, and community leaders to ensure that no child remains unheard and no classroom remains inaccessible. Thank you.